What's going on, everybody? You might be asking yourself, why am I giving away this free course? Why am I giving you these resources away for free? Why am I not charging you money, resources, my bonuses, my one-on-one coaching, as well as all the freebies, right? So I believe in giving value first, but I want to tell you a really quick story about where I was at in 2016. So in late 2016, I was basically homeless. And in late 2016, I was at a dead-end job. You know, I was working at a restaurant, working 50, 60 hours a week. It was horrible. I was in college. I had a roommate, and we were raging alcoholics. You know, we were in college. We were experimenting with things, and my friend battled with, alcohol and drug addiction and eventually took his life. And it affected me a lot. And essentially I ended up homeless, and I was sleeping in my car. I didn't have a sense of direction. I dropped out of school. Things were rough. And I got a phone call from my mom saying, "Hey, your sister's starting this tree service business. Can you come and help?" And I had nothing to go on. I had $0 in my pocket. So I drove from Ohio to Florida. And, things were great for, 2 weeks after the storm happened. And then the phone stopped ringing. So I started knocking doors, trying to get leads. And I stumbled upon this other guy. I was talking about these sales funnels and everything else. But long story short, I was on a path to death, basically. And I seen this ad, and another affiliate, this guy's named Spencer, I bought this book, right? So this is a book from Russell Brunson, and this book changed everything for me. But another affiliate named Spencer sent me an email, and I didn't even know anything about affiliates or whatever, right? So if you click their link, they get a small commission. But he sent me an email saying, "Hey, you bought this book from me. Here's this free course about sales funnels." And I had two pennies to rub together and never even heard sales funnels. I didn't even know the word marketing. So I went through this course and I started implementing exactly what he was saying. And 2 weeks prior to that, I blew $1,200 on Facebook ads because I didn't know anything about it. And he gave me the foundation to change my life. And within a matter of, I think it was like 14 or 15 days, I went from sleeping on this little cot in my sister's spare bedroom or office, whatever you want to call it. It was horrible. To buying a new car, getting an apartment. I bought a very expensive dog, new TVs, a brand new PlayStation 4 when it came out. It was life-changing, right? So my goal is to help 100 people become financially free with these resources that I'm giving you, right? So that's my whole goal, is to change someone's life the way he changed mine. I have so much gratitude towards that because I was heading down the wrong path, and it was like, I don't know if it was fate, I don't know if it was God, I don't know what it was, but that was the right message at the right time, and I took action on what he said, and it legitimately changed my perspective on everything. Within months, it was like my life turned 180 degrees around, and just my whole goal is to help 100 people start making a living online. So that's my whole catch. That's my story. That's why I'm giving away this all for free. I'm going to get a small commission if you sign up under my link. That'd be awesome. If not, I totally understand. But that's my reasoning. I was in a horrible place, and someone reached out. I got an email because I bought this book, and a guy named Spencer Meckham emailed me. He's like, "Hey, I want to give you this free course. I hope you like it. If you get any value, give me a testimonial." That was the whole email. I remember I watched like 8 hours of the video, and I was up all night, and then I started learning about sales funnels, and then content marketing, and it all kept going with SEO and blogging, and then ranking websites, and it changed my life 180 degrees, and my goal is to do that for someone else. And so that's my whole catch on why I'm giving this away for free. If you got any more questions, do me a huge favor. Sign up to jump on a call if you have any questions or if you need any help. But that's my whole catch.